Adverbs of frequency in daily activities. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 1 week. How many times does Jonas smile in 1 week? 2 times? Sometimes. Jonas sometimes smiles. No. 5 times? Usually. Jonas usually smiles. No. 7 times. Every day. Always. Jonas always smiles. Yes. Jonas always smiles. Look at Osman. Osman smiles? No. Osman doesn't smile. 7 times. Always. Osman always smiles. No. 5 times. Usually. Osman usually smiles. No. 2 times. Sometimes. Osman sometimes smiles. No. 0 times. Never. Osman never smiles. Yes. Osman never smiles. Let's look at daily activities of Jonas and Osman. Get up early. Drink coffee. Eat in restaurants. Have a big breakfast. Go to work by bus. Go to work on foot. Have a shower. Have a bath. What do Jonas and Osman do? How often do they do them? Get up early. Get up early. How often does Jonas get up early? Jonas always gets up early. Get up early. How often does Osman get up early? Osman sometimes gets up early. Drink coffee. Drink coffee. How often does Jonas drink coffee? Jonas usually drinks coffee. Drink coffee. How often does Osman drink coffee? Osman never drinks coffee. Eat in restaurants. Eat in restaurants. How often do Jonas and Osman eat in restaurants? Jonas and Osman sometimes eat in restaurants. Have a big breakfast. Have a big breakfast. How often does Jonas have a big breakfast? Jonas usually has a big breakfast. Have a big breakfast. How often does Osman have a big breakfast? Osman never has a big breakfast. Go to work by bus. Go to work by bus. How often does Jonas go to work by bus? Jonas always goes to work by bus. Go to work on foot. Go to work on foot. How often does Osman go to work by bus? Osman never goes to work by bus. How often does Osman go to work on foot? Osman always goes to work on foot. Have a shower. Have a shower. How often does Jonas have a shower? Jonas usually has a shower. Have a bath. Have a bath. How often does Osman have a shower? Osman never has a shower. How often does Osman have a bath? Osman always has a bath. Look at the sentences. Find the mistakes. 1. How often does Jonas drink coffee? Jonas sometimes drinks coffee. Sometimes. Usually. Jonas usually drinks coffee. 2. How often do Jonas and Osman eat in restaurants? Jonas and Osman usually eat in restaurants. Usually. Sometimes. Jonas and Osman sometimes eat in restaurants. 3. How often does Osman go to work on foot? Osman goes always to work on foot. Goes always. Always goes. Osman always goes to work on foot. 4. How often does Osman have a shower? Osman always has a shower. Always. Never. Osman never has a shower. 5. How often does Jonas get up early? Jonas sometimes gets up early. Sometimes. Always. Jonas always gets up early. 6. How often does Jonas have a big breakfast? Jonas always has a big breakfast. Always. Usually. Jonas usually has a big breakfast. 7. How often does Osman get up early? Osman usually gets up early. Usually. Sometimes. Osman sometimes gets up early. 8. How often do Osman has a bath? Osman always has a bath. Do Osman has? Does Osman have? How often does Osman have a bath? Adverbs of frequency in daily activities is complete. Thank you.